remind my Indian friends, while it is wide and it is deeper than it's ever been, it is not yet deep enough. That if we take it for granted from
युद्ध के मैदान में समाधान संभव नहीं होते। बम, बंदूक और गोलियों के बीच समाधान और शांति वार्ताएं सफल नहीं होती हैं।
India sought to downplay US Ambassador Eric Garcetti's criticisms of PM Narendra Modi's visit to Russia and the country's policy of strategic autonomy, noting that the extensive partnership between New Delhi and Washington permits both nations to agree to disagree. The remarks came in response to Garcetti's comments made last week, warning India against taking the US-India ties for granted and maintaining that there is no such thing as strategic autonomy in times of conflict. Strongly defending New Delhi's policy of strategic autonomy, the spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs Randhir Jaiswal said that the comprehensive global strategic partnership between India and the US provides both parties the liberty to approach certain matters differently. Jaiswal added, India, much like numerous other nations, places great importance on its strategic independence. While the US ambassador is certainly entitled to his viewpoint, we too hold our distinct perspectives.
On strategic autonomy, India, like many other countries, values its strategic autonomy. The US ambassador is entitled, obviously, to his opinion. We also have our own and different views. Our comprehensive strategic global strategic partnership with the United States gives us the space to agree to disagree on certain issues while respecting each other's viewpoints. So that is my answer to you.
It is to be noted here that US failed to take note of India's direct appeal to Russian president to end the Ukrainian war during PM Modi's meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin in Russia. India's stance on war was clearly conveyed by PM Modi that no solution could be achieved in the battleground, urging both Russia and Ukraine to choose the path of dialogue and diplomacy to put an end to waging war.
मित्र के नाते मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि हमारी भावी पीढ़ी के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए शांति सर्वाधिक आवश्यक है, लेकिन मैं ये भी जानता हूं कि युद्ध के मैदान में समाधान संभव नहीं होते। बम, बंदूक और गोलियों के बीच समाधान और शांति वार्ताएं सफल नहीं होती हैं और हमने वार्ता के माध्यम से ही शांति के रास्ते अपनाने होंगे।
Notably, several key members of the US administration expressed their concerns over the India-Russia relationship and the timing of Modi's visit to Russia, which coincided with a summit of leaders of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization in Washington to express support for Ukraine. US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan had cautioned New Delhi that a bet on Russia as a long-term reliable partner is not a good bet, and outlined that Moscow would side with Beijing over New Delhi in case of conflict.